Hey, welcome to Insider Tips. In today's Insider Tip, I'm going to talk about creating a successful blog for your property. But before I do that, have you yet heard about the post-COVID-19 action plan for hospitality properties? You need to check it out, and you can do that by visiting keystonehpd.com/post-COVID-19 action plan. For the past 15 years, we have seen blogging take on a life of its own. Many experts we turn to have become famous because of their blogs. A blog gives your property a voice. Through blog posts, you can talk freely with your customers about your property, the services you offer, trends in the hospitality property industry, and other information pertinent to your community, the reader, the customer base that you serve. Additionally, a well-written blog post allows you to be viewed as an expert in your field, generates traffic to your website, and provides you with an opportunity to build a sense of connection and community with your customers. We also see more people blog, so it is really important today more than ever that the content of your blog is quality. This is especially true for any business, any property looking to get found on the internet. To be successful, a hospitality property owner needs to develop a strategy that allows them time to create high quality content so they can slowly build themselves as an expert and a leader. Here I have to emphasize slowly. You need the time to do things right. Before you get started, you have to decide on the purpose of your blog. Take a moment to ask yourself these questions. Is my property blog-worthy? What story supports my property? Who shares my passion? Are my employees aligned with this passion? When you've answered these questions, you have to target your ideal guest. We've covered this in the past in Insider Tips 77, 78, and 79. Well, that's it for today's Insider Tip. If you have not done so yet, subscribe so you don't miss any future Insider Tips. And make sure you join one of our groups. We would love to see you on the inside. You can subscribe at keystonehpd.com/insider-tips. And to find your best group option, visit keystonehpd.com/private-groups. Well, that's it for today's tip. Until next time, have a fun day.